So this syringe has inside it 1,000 billion robots. So these robots are each 50 nanometers long, which as you can see in this slide under the microscope. 50 nanometers is about 2,000 times thinner than the thickness of your hair.
The nanotech is self-replicating, self-assembling. It can attach to your DNA, and it will cross the blood-brain barrier.
This isn't a classic chip. This is nanotech, self-replicating mRNA, DNA, all of it. It's coming up. Right? It's all proven what's going on. This is the transhumanist invasion. This is the operation. 4 years ago, Biden legalized nanotech in the food, marking us for this Bill Gates patent for blockchain.
I know my husband is not vaccinating people and putting a microchip in our arm because that technology doesn't even exist, and he's never uttered the words out of his mouth. So
I'm the former president of an organization called the International Center Against the Abuse of Covert Technologies.
There's all these patents. Gates is obsessed. This is all going on. The self-replicating, the new vaccines, growing these things, and people saying you'll be blockchain, we'll control you. It's actually hiding in plain view. It's crazy. Our cells are electrochemical and operate the same way as silicon, basically. So that's why they're able to put a wire in your head, Elon Musk, so you can see. Like it's the same thing. Just we're biological. We're carbon. It's silicon. We were playing a clip of them at the big TED Talk globalist event, talking about nanotech. Then we have the documents. We have the patents, and we know what they're doing to the COVID shots. This is huge. Start over.
He also teaches his students how to control these things once they're in a host with your Xbox controller. They looked at it under high spectrum microscopy. This is the silicane derivatives.
And that's exactly what they find in the COVID shot, people.
Correct. These are the nanorobots. Look how similar they look to Dr. Ido Bachelet's robots. And remember, they can carry a payload.
Well, now they admit the new shots are self-replicating.
Correct.
Was it designed to kill us? Or do people just get killed in the test because it creates a sludge if it takes the whole body over?
This is about mass control.
So they hate us. They want to depopulate us. They can get a lot of medical developments out of it. Just do it. Just hit us.
This particular patent is put out by AT&T, and it's routing policies for biological host. So what
so it's creating the connector, the launch pad for it. We are the host for this.
Correct. We are the hosts. We are the nodes. Your autonomy, your free will as a human species is no longer there. In fact, they've reclassified what the human species is today, who has this tech in them, and it's Homo Borg Genesis is a new term that they're utilizing.
The public blew up over the COVID shots. It woke them up. I don't think they realized the real shoe's about to drop. I saw right when Biden got in, they signed an executive. I don't think Trump even understands any of this. IBM, Thomas Watson got the highest award from Hitler. He actually ran the Third Reich. Hitler took orders from him. They were getting broken up because of antitrust stuff. He created, Bill Gates' dad was on the board of his eugenics board. So then they had to get around antitrust, so they created Microsoft to give them the operating system as a subgroup and handed the foundation to Bill Gates. A year into COVID, Google, Apple, Facebook were all giving tens of millions to the direct COVID research development. They were all fighting to be involved in even that project. I've studied all this, and this is part of a larger project to put nodes into people for this tracking system.
Yeah, this is the mark of the beast. This may seem like a significant negative and that we don't have a fighting chance. I like to believe that God is the ultimate programmer and that God will prevail in the end.
Look, it's transhumanism. They say the future isn't human. This is going on. This is the ultimate revolution. These corporations want to tag you.